If you're a little bit older and you're dealing with any loss in strength or any cognitive issues, if you know anybody with dementia or Alzheimer's, hang through this video. Creatine is what I want to talk about, and it's one of the most studied supplements out there, but usually people attach it to somebody young working out trying to gain muscle. So on that aspect alone, if you're getting a little bit older, it helps with muscle wasting. It helps you maintain strength. Again, the most studied supplement out there for that. But they're showing in a more important way that I find is changes in cognitive effect. There was a big study last year that talked about the effect of creatine on the brain. The way that the body works, inside of a cell, there's something called the mitochondria. It takes nutrients and oxygen to create ATP, which is energy. Creatine's basically job is to take this stuff and send it to the body. But muscles are very greedy. They take 90 to 95% of that. So normally, if I'm working on muscle, I would take maybe around 5 grams a day. But the study showed in patients with dementia and Alzheimer's, they bumped them to 20 grams a day. And now this wasn't eating everything. They were actually getting more of that creatine to the brain so they could increase metabolic function and energy production in the brain. So they showed improvement in memory, a big change in people with Alzheimer's and dementia. So if you know anybody that deals with those symptoms, creatine is huge. 20 grams a day. We carry this in office, not just, again, for muscle building, but for the brain. Also, if you're noticing any weakening, all that stuff, of course, for muscle. But this was the big thing I wanted to talk about because a lot of people don't realize the change that you can get there. And if you've known somebody with dementia or Alzheimer's, you know how ugly it can be. So anything that you can do to help is huge. So if you know anybody that's like that, or you're dealing with any of those issues or muscle, then let us know. We have creatine, huge fan of it. Just wanted to fill you.